Hi, welcome to Ibaloy for beginners. This is only a guide for those who want to learn Ibaloy. The alphabet and the sounds of the letters are similar to the Filipino alphabet abacada. Some letters like J and SH, which are not found in the Filipino alphabet, are also presented in the following slides. Ibaloy books are also available in the bookstore for your reference. Here are the sounds of the vowels on the following words. Letter A. Aba. Abaca. For this exercise, letter E sounds like not E as in Tagalog. Abas. Abus. A bit. Abot. Letter I. Isag. Ipit. Letter O. Ulag. Ulag. Ulig. Olop. The sounds of the consonants with vowels on the following examples. Ba, da, ka, ka, ja, na, nga, sa, sya, and so on. Padaingan. Bishing. Bishing. Bigbig. Bugbog. Daring. Dos mano. Letter J. Ja as in judge. Jangat. Jugjug. Choksos. Letter K. Letter K has two sounds which are represented by small k and capital K. Others use KH to represent the capital K sound ka. Ka. Kahit. Kab-kab. Ka. Kahit. Kab-kab. Kap-kap. Kap-kap. Kep-kep. Keep-keep. Kiling. Kiling. Ko-ko. Ku-ku. Sakit. Sakit. Bakas. Bekas. Tua. Shua. Guara. Takguab. Sugwatan. Kaagwang. Salamat ni oras ju.